AsianNewsfeed.com provides frequently updated videos and articles. Towards the end of 2008, the major economies of the West began to falter, and by the turn of the year, recession had started to bite. While this was particularly pronounced in Europe, the key players on the Asian economic stage, China, Japan and India, managed to maintain a relatively even keel. However, just as the European economies started the sluggish fight back towards healthy market conditions, the impact of those previous years of fiscal uncertainty have at last been having an impact on the East. Asian money is tightening, with credit agencies putting the squeeze on personal and commercial finance. The scale of economic growth, which had previously enjoyed considerable periods of stability, has slumped to moderate levels. Property prices are tumbling. For all that, the Asian economy still represents one of the true growth regions of the globe. The International Monetary Fund, Asian Development Bank, still forecast a GDP standing at around 7%. As well as this, here are the other 5 main trends forecasted to be affecting Asian economy. Number 1. Property. Prices will continue to fall, although there is unlikely to be a decline as sharp as the US markets experienced. Inflation temping in China will cause the property market to be less buoyant than 2011. Number 2. Global acquisitions. Asian companies will continue to expand into global markets. The power of the yen will inevitably lead to Japan leading the East. In 2011, the country became the region's largest acquirer of foreign assets, as hundreds of trillions of Japanese yen become valued at the highest levels of the dollar since 1945. The spending spree is likely to continue. Number 3. UN conversion. China will be trying to ensure that the yuan becomes a convertible currency. The recent trend of Hong Kong companies raising collateral by issuing debt in the yuan as an attempt to fund expansions into markets into the People's Republic will continue unabated. Around the world, central banks may well start incorporating the Chinese yuan as an important component to their foreign exchange reserves. Number 4. Hiring employees. Although there will be redundancies throughout Europe and the US as part of budget tightening, Asian companies look set to buck this trend. In fact, recent market research has gone far to anticipate the workforce expansions of more than 5%. Number 5. Credit tightening. Asian banks will tighten the lending criteria in order to curb excessive financing. This will have a knock-on effect, with small businesses impairing their ability to raise capital. Beijing's bank has been trying to counter the need for such drastic control by stimulating their economy through tax cuts for small businesses and increasing public service spending. Thank you for watching on AsianNewsfeed.com. Bye for now.